Good morning, students. Welcome back to our online class. As you know, we were studying our second chapter of polity, that is, what is democracy and why democracy. As far we have already completed the simple definition of democracy. Now you all know what is democracy. Okay, we also discussed features of democracy, and I also told you that why we need democracy, or why democracy means why democracy is better form of government than the others. Okay, we also discussed about the some merits and demerits of the democracy, or basically advantages and disadvantages of democracy. So in our today's class we will discuss about the broader meaning of democracy, and this will be the last topic of this chapter. Okay, after this your chapter will be complete. Okay, so if I talk about the broader meaning of democracy, it simply means कि a broader thought of democracy we will discuss in this topic. Okay, so let's start. In this chapter we have considered the meaning of democracy in the limited and descriptive sense. Obviously in this chapter we discussed the meaning of democracy in a limited and in a descriptive sense. Okay, we have understood democracy as a form of government. Obviously we अभी तक जितना भी we studied उससे अपन को पता लगता है democracy is a form of government. Democracy is what? Democracy is a form of government in which the rulers are elected by the people, and the rulers which are elected by the people, they used to represent them, है ना? They used to represent them means democracy is basically a representative democracy, है ना? Representative democracy हो गया, है ना? So these are all what? These are a set of minimal features of democracy that democracy must have. जो अपन पढ़ के आए हैं ना, जो minimal features we study that democracy must have, वो democracy के अंदर होने ही चाहिए. Okay, you have already read about this in the previous classes. In the countries we call democracy. In the countries we call democracy, all the people do not rule. Obviously, if we talk about the country who have democracy, all the people of that country do not rule directly and indirectly. Obviously, ठीक है? ये obviously नहीं करते हैं rule, है ना? So all the people do not rule directly. All the people do not rule. A majority is allowed to take decisions. A majority is allowed to take decisions. A majority कौन सी? The people who can vote or who have right to vote, है ना? और who are eligible to vote, है ना? वही क्या लेते हैं? डिसीजन लेते हैं. Majority is allowed to take decision on behalf of the people, है ना? Even the majority does not rule directly. Even the majority does not rule directly. The majority of people rule through their elected representative. The majority of people rule through their elected representatives. मतलब जो majority rule करती है वो भी किस तरीके से करती है? They rule through their elected representatives, है ना? This became necessary because why this became necessary? This became necessary because modern democracies involves such a large number of people that it is physically impossible for them to sit together and take a collective decision. Obviously it is not possible for them to sit together and take a collective decision. अगर अपन बात करें जैसे कि if I talk about India, तो nearly we have population of 130 करोड़ nearly, ठीक है? और उसमें से अपन कैसे करें कि nearly 60 to 70 crore people are what? Eligible to vote or they can vote, है ना? तो it is not possible for them to gather every day or take decision, है ना? ये उनके लिए possible नहीं होता है कि भाई 60 to 70 crore रोज they used to gather and वो क्या करें decision वगैरह ले, they can sit together, ऐसा नहीं होता है. So this that's why what we need, the majority of people rule through their elected representatives, है ना? Even if they could, अगर ऐसा हो भी जाता है कि चलो वो they can sit together and take decision, but even if they could, citizen does not have time. Obviously सबके पास they don't have time, है ना? The desire also, everybody do not also want to just involve in the politics. They don't also have desire also to involve in politics or to involve in this democracy वगैरह, है ना? Or the skills to take part in all the decisions. Obviously all people do not have also skills also to just take part in the decision making, है ना? तो इसीलिए क्या चाहिए अपन को? we need जो majority of people है वो rule किसे करते हैं? They rule through the elected representative, और ये इसीलिए necessary है, अपन ने देखा why, है ना? So this give us a clear but minimal understanding of democracy. Obviously, it gives us a minimal understanding of democracy. This clearly helps us to distinguish between democracies and non-democracies. Obviously, अपन को ये चीजें से अपन we can distinguish between democracies and non-democracies. अपन ये चीज जज कर सकते हैं कि which country is democratic, which is non-democratic. Okay, but we cannot judge what? We cannot judge democracy and a good democracy. Obviously, on the behalf of each of the things we studied earlier, जैसे कि what is democracy, the features of democracy, why we need democracy, उन सब के basis पे we can say that which country is democratic or which is not democratic. वो अपन कह सकते हैं, but we cannot say कि which country is having democracy and which is having very good democracy. If I talk about a good democracy, एक ये ideal feature बन जाता है. क्या बन जाता है? It becomes an ideal feature कि भाई ये ऐसा होता है कि good democracy के अंदर if I talk कि nobody will go to bed hungry, मतलब कोई भी इंसान अगर नाइट में सोने जा रहा है, ठीक है, तो वहां पे वो भूखा नहीं जाएगा. तो एक आइडियल फीचर हो गया, एक आइडियल चीज होगी, और दैट शुड बी अ पार्ट. वो किसका पार्ट होना चाहिए? गुड डेमोक्रेसी का होना चाहिए. तो ऐसा अगर इफ आई टॉक, तो देयर इज नो कंट्री इन द वर्ल्ड हु हैव व्हाट अ गुड डेमोक्रेसी, है ना? समझ में आया? आई टोल्ड यू बिफोर आल्सो दैट डेमोक्रेसी इज नॉट अ मैजिकल सॉल्यूशन ऑफ ऑल द प्रॉब्लम्स, है ना? डेमोक्रेसी कोई मैजिकल सॉल्यूशन नहीं है सारी प्रॉब्लम्स का, ऑब्वियसली, ठीक है. सो ये बात आपको समझ में आई कि डेमोक्रेसी एंड नॉन डेमोक्रेसी के अपन डिस्टिंग्विश कर सकते हैं, बट वी कैन नॉट डिस्टिंग्विश बिटवीन और डिफरेंशिएट बिटवीन डेमोक्रेसी एंड गुड डेमोक्रेसी. ओके, सो समटाइम्स वी यूज डेमोक्रेसी फॉर ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस. अपन समटाइम्स वी यूज डेमोक्रेसी फॉर ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस other than the government. We do not talk about the form of government, we talk sometimes about the organizations, है ना? So एक एग्जांपल आपके लिए मैं पढ़ता हूँ. We are a very democratic family. एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, फैमिली क्या है? एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, एक छोटा सा चीज है, ओके, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है. तो उस एक बात हो रही है, एक एग्जांपल है कि we are a very democratic family. Whenever a decision has to be taken, we all sit down and arrive at a consensus. अब जब भी क्या होता है कि कोई डिसीजन लेना होता है, तो whenever we all sit down and arrive at a consensus. और obviously जब भी क्या होता है, कोई डिसीजन वगैरह लेना होता है, तो they used to sit together and they all give their opinion one by one. तो जितने भी ओपिनियंस फैमिली मेंबर्स के अंदर, जितने भी फैमिली मेंबर्स हैं, ठीक है, इन अ फैमिली, उन सबके ओपिनियंस, उन सबकी चीजें क्या लगती है? इक्वली मैटर करती है ना? तो ये कैसा हो गया? एक डेमोक्रेटिक फैमिली की बात होगी. तो अपन नाउ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट नॉट अ फॉर्म, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस, है ना? माय ओपिनियन मैटर्स एज मच एज माय फादर्स. मेरा ओपिनियन मैटर करता है जितना कि मेरे फादर का करता है. माय ओपिनियन मैटर्स एज मच एज माय फादर्स. ओके, सो देयर आर 2 or more examples given. Second one is I don't like teachers who do not allow students to speak and ask questions in the class. अब ये बोल रहे हैं कि I don't like teachers who do not allow students to speak and ask questions in the class. I would like to have teachers with democratic temperament. अब जो teachers होना चाहिए, they should have democratic temperament, है ना? तो ये सब चीजें क्या है? We are talking about an organization. We are not talking about any form of the government. But basically, what is democracy? Democracy is a form of government, ठीक है? तो sometimes people used to think broadly. वही बात हो रही है कि broader meaning of democracy. Sometimes people used to think broadly. They used to think about the organization, not the form of the government. Okay, so a democratic decision involves, main part आता है क्या? कि a democratic decision involves consultation with and consent of all. Democratic decision involves consultation with and consent of all those who are affected by that decision, affected by that decision. Obviously जो democratic decision होता है वो क्या depends on the consultancy. मतलब एक कोई भी अगर if I want to take decision, है ना, और if a government want to take decision, है ना, in a democratic I am talking about democracy, तो जो डिसीजन लेना होगा that will go through a long process. वो एक long process के थ्रू जाएगा. अपन ने पहले देख के आए उसके अंदर, एक फीचर्स के अंदर. तो बहुत लोगों की कंसल्टेंसी चाहिए, ठीक है, इट विल सबके कंसेंट भी चाहिए. तो वही बात हो रही है ना? Those who are not powerful have the same say in taking the decision, as those who are powerful, as those who are powerful मतलब में there is no discrimination between the powerful and who is having power and who is not having power, इसमें कोई differentiate नहीं होना चाहिए, जो decision होगा वो equally क्या है लिया जाएगा, है ना. Thus democracy is also a principle that can be applied to any sphere of life. Democracy is what? Democracy is also a principle that can be applied to any sphere of life. Okay, so अब अपन बात करते हैं that ideal sphere है ना. Sometimes we use the word democracy not to describe any existing government, but to set up an ideal standard, that all democracy must aim to become, that all democracies must aim to become. अब वो ideal standard क्या है ना? What is that ideal standard? True democracy will come to this country only when no one goes hungry to bed. मैंने अभी just example दिया कि true democracy कब आएगी, जब real democracy कब आएगी. Real democracy will come to the country जब कोई भी इंसान अपने बेड पे भूखा नहीं सोएगा. Obviously, that will be a part of good democracy. वही क्या होगा? Absolute वही क्या होगा? सच में डेमोक्रेसी होगा. वही क्या होगी? एक डेमोक्रेटिक गवर्नमेंट होगी, है ना. और सेकंड अगर बात करें तो in a democracy every citizen must be able to play equal role in decision making. For this you don't need just a equal right to vote. You just don't need a, मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि भाई आपको सिर्फ क्या चाहिए, right to vote ही चाहिए. Every citizen needs to have equal information. Every citizen should have what? Should have equal information. जो बेसिक एजुकेशन होती है वो भी होनी चाहिए. And equal resources also, that every citizen should have what? बेसिक एजुकेशन, शुड हैव इक्वल रिसोर्सेज. ठीक है, उनको इक्वल रिसोर्सेज का भी मतलब उनको फायदा होना चाहिए. एंड अ लॉट ऑफ कमिटमेंट मैं वापस पढ़ता हूं. इन अ डेमोक्रेसी एवरी सिटीजन मस्ट बी एबल टू प्ले इक्वल रोल इन डिसीजन मेकिंग. ठीक है, फॉर दिस यू डोंट नीड जस्ट एन इक्वल राइट टू वोट. यू जस्ट नीड व्हाट? ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ एक राइट टू वोट से ही क्या हो जाए, सारी बात हो जाए डेमोक्रेसी में. इट डजंट मीन दैट. इट मींस every citizen needs to have equal information. Every citizen should have what? Should have equal information. ठीक है, बेसिक एजुकेशन. और every citizen should have also what? Basic education also. Equal resources should have also equal resources के ऊपर उनका क्या होना चाहिए? अधिकार होना चाहिए. And a lot of commitment. ये सब चीजें होती है. ठीक है, अब ये सब एक तरीका है. दिस all are a broader way है of thinking about the democracy. As thinking about a democracy, we are discussing about the word democracy, है ना, कि अपन और भी क्या broadly what we can think of democracy. किसी we can think democracy in an एज एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के अंदर भी अपन डेमोक्रेसी की बात करते हैं. अभी सॉ दैट की मिनिमल फीचर्स दैट डेमोक्रेसी मस्ट हैव. जो मेजॉरिटी ऑफ रूल्स जो होता है, मेजॉरिटी जो रूल करती है वो के हाउ दे रूल थ्रू देयर इलेक्टेड रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स वगैरह, ये सब चीजें होती है ना. सो ओके, इफ वी टेक these ideals seriously, if we take these ideals seriously, which ideals जो अभी मैंने डिस्कस किए, that ideals, yet an understanding of democracy as an ideals remind us of why we value democracy. और यही जो ideals अपन को बताते हैं कि why we value democracy और why we choose democracy और why we don't choose any other form of democracy, है ना. why we don't choose और why we choose democracy, समझ में आया? why we don't choose any other form and why we choose democracy. यही चीज ये चीजें अपन को बताती है ideal standard. okay, it help us to distinguish between a minimal democracy and a good democracy. It help us to distinguish between a minimal democracy and a good democracy. okay, so अब there is nothing more to just explain because that is okay. broader meaning यही होता है. ठीक है, obviously एक important line और है, this also means that no country is a perfect democracy. अब जो चीजें we discussed in a ideal features और we discussed in a ideal standard that every country want to become, है ना. तो obviously उसको अगर देखा जाए तो आज in present time there is no country which is having what a proper democracy. We can say that no country is having a perfect democracy. कोई भी कंट्री के पास नहीं. सो यही एक मीनिंग था दैट पीपल यूज टू थिंक या गवर्नमेंट या जो भी चीजें ऑर्गेनाइजेशन अपन क्या सोचते हैं, एक ब्रॉडर मीनिंग सोचते हैं किसका, एक डेमोक्रेसी का, ठीक है। एक डेमोक्रेटिक वर्ल्ड को अपन क्या सोचते हैं, डेमोक्रेटिक वर्ल्ड को एक ब्रॉडर वे में ले जाते हैं और दैट इज बेसिकली मीन की ब्रॉडर मीनिंग ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी। और दैट इज इनफ। इफ यू want to ask any question from this topic, you can just ask me, ठीक है, and that is enough and our chapter is completed, है ना? Okay, thank you.